Hey guys, I'm actually excited. Today's video, not really travel related, but it's going to be used in future travels. So as you may or may not know, in my first video concerning Six Flags, I talked about ordering some Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses, and I got a text message while I was at work yesterday saying, hey, your glasses are ready for pickup. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get in the car, we're gonna head out to Target, and we're gonna try out the glasses. Now, this video is not going to be a, here's how you set it up, here's all the quirks and features. Honestly, there's tons of videos like that here on YouTube. You don't want to hear me talk about it because I go into intricate detail, but I just don't have time for that. This video is going to be mainly my first impressions of how the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Gen 2s feel on my face and everything. And yeah, hey, you might even get to see me eat a sub sandwich. I don't know. So let's get in the car. Let's head out. All right, guys, here we come towards Target here on Castle Road in wonderful Waukesha, Wisconsin. And you're gonna see from the outside, it's a pretty old school looking Target, but it's not old school on the inside. It's modernized. You know, you don't see the old you don't see the neon or anything like they used to have. I mean, the sign's modernized here on the road, but check this. See, look at that. It's pretty old school looking here. We'll go inside, get the glasses. Hopefully I'll have them set up, and then, wow, you're crooked. Gotta get a new camera mount eventually, but we'll head on in, get the glasses, and get going. Oh God, what do I do with my hands? I mean, oh, hey, well, I better turn down Madonna. Yeah, I'm in the car. Ignore the fact that, yeah, I do have an airbag light on and the check engine light. Those are mainly reasons why I'm getting rid of the car, and this is weird. What do I do?
Insurance.
Okay, we're going to Cousin Subs. We're going to compare the footage from the camera to what I'm seeing in my glasses as I drive. So this is going to be interesting. Oh, there's Cousin Subs. Yeah, I'm actually hungry. So I ordered a sub while I was in Target because I'm hungry. So I can't go through the drive-thru. I'm just gonna eat it inside. So let's try it out. All right. For those of you who don't know what Cousin Subs is, it's a Wisconsin thing. It's, you know, it's better than Subway. Really good. Yeah. Grilled and deli fresh. I should have ordered a Cubano. But we are here in Waukesha. Let's eat. This is very limited. Right. Alright, it's time for lunch. Got some fries, they gave me a cookie. Whew. Almost falling out, but it's good. All right, here's the thing. I know most of my viewers are in the Midwest. Oh, excuse me, so specifically Wisconsin. So for those of you who are not, we're going to skip Blaine's Farm and Fleet. I'm going to show you a really unique Menards here in Waukesha, which this one's unique because it's 2 stories, and it doesn't look like it's 2 stories from the outside. It's actually, like I said, it's here in Waukesha, near the Target. That's the Target where I picked up my glasses. And we're just gonna head in. Just a second. Hey look, I'm recording. Neat! CVS. Okay. So, hopefully, yeah, this light's changing. How does everything look, guys? I'm actually quite impressed so far with everything. This is really nice. You know, the sun's blocked. That sign is crooked as hell. When I first moved to Wisconsin, actually, I had to return my moving van to that Home Depot. I rented from Penske, and because I had rented a car hauler, they were like, you have to go to this particular Home Depot in Waukesha to return the moving van. It's like, okay. But anyways, we are here at Menards. We're going to go in, and I'll show you a 2-story Menards. So, this Menards has a moving walkway, 2 stories, and a player piano. Oh, somebody's actually playing the piano. All right, so this is actually Brookfield, Wisconsin. So you got the 5 corners here. You got the Residence Inn, Courtyard by Marriott. Yeah, honestly, so far, I'm happy with what I've seen. I sent, from what I've seen, I've sent a video of me, you know, getting my Coke at Cousin Subs, but still got it here. I'm going to take a longer drive home, and just a bit of comparison between the glasses here, which, hi, there I am, and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which when I get home I'm going to have to flip, but that's not a truck. So, yeah, we'll keep going. So guys, I just thought of something kind of goofy. If you guys ever watch POVintheCity on YouTube, you know how like he goes to like, you know, food trucks, you know, well, food carts I should say, on the streets of Manhattan. You know, he's like, bacon and cheese on a roll, salt, pepper, ketchup. Next time I go to New York, I should do that. It's like, yeah, let me get a bacon and cheese on a roll, salt, pepper, ketchup. Yeah, honestly, these are really comfortable. I've not had to adjust them, and they feel great. Hopefully the picture quality is good. We'll see. I mean, honestly, this is really nice. You know, the glasses actually feel good on my head. You know, they're not slipping off. I've not had to adjust them or anything. These are wonderful, actually. Yeah, I'm just taking a longer way home, and like, you know, why not? Let's just take the long way home, see what happens, take a few pictures along the way, and keep at it. For those of you who have never been in a Woodman's, there's a lot of everything, and I gotta talk because I don't think you want to hear Paul Davis, and I don't want to get a copyright strike, but yeah, a lot of everything. Can anybody explain what functional water is? Like, what does it do?
Kyla the rest of the 10, what's the 10, Kyla to 10, Antoine towards the 4, Antoine towards the 4.
Okay, so all in all, I'm pretty happy with these. Now, the next question is, how will it look when I import the footage from this into the computer? You'll find out, and I guess I'll find out in post. So, just like I said, a little bit of a different kind of video, a little more off the cuff, but as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more stuff, and I'll see you later.